Good morning. Today I'm headed up 26 up through Hendersonville. Gonna get off here and meet a buddy at Sam's Club here off of Highway 64. I'm gonna get some stuff from him. Then I'm heading north. I'm heading up here to Fletcher. I'm gonna stop and drop off a couple of computers with my friend. Then I'm heading back down south, heading down to Richard's house. Gonna go ahead and get his Model 3, the Pikes Peak winning Model 3, taking it over to get it aligned for him today. Richard's laid up. He's hurt his back and can't do it, so I jumped in since I had errands to do. I thought I would help Richard out a little bit. So that's today's adventure. So let's get on the road. This road's under construction, but you can kind of see there's no lines on the road. But the autopilot guesses that this is the lane we're supposed to be in. I'm unable to drive on autopilot, of course, because there are no designated lines, but the gray line around the car indicates what the computer thinks is okay for the car to drive, even though it's an unmarked road. It's kind of cool. This is all prior to the full self-driving software. Today we started the adventure with 87%. Should be a good day. I'll go ahead and reset the trip counter, even though I'm a few miles from the house here. I've reset and renamed the trip counter now. Shouldn't be no doubt then of exactly what we drove. Got to add a few miles. I'm almost to downtown Columbus now. This is the town of Columbus. I have to go through it when I head north to get out on Interstate 26. Small little place, food and auto parts stores and gyms and all kinds of stuff here. It is an overcast and funky day. It's 73 degrees today. At least it's a little cooler. It's supposed to be warmer in a few days. We're supposed to have chance of rain, I think, on and off here. Interstate 26 usually headed west. There's always trucks here, lots and lots of them. And they generally drive, I don't know, maybe it's speed limit or a little more. But usually it's a pretty good artery here between South Carolina in the north and to the west, up 26. Lots of truck traffic. I'm sitting in the Sam's parking lot here waiting for my buddy to show up. He's due any minute. This is our rendezvous point. We'll exchange our stuff and I'll get on the road here. It's still overcast here today. I think it may even rain. I can't quite tell. Northbound on 26 here now. Just going through construction yet again. With a dump truck dropping all kinds of junk out of the back. All right, I've met up with my buddy. Dropped off a couple of computers for our next project. And now I'm heading south again. I'm going to grab a little something to eat. And then I'm heading over to Richard's, pick up the car. This is a gigantic flea market here down in Fletcher. I'm on Henderson Road now, headed south, heading back. I'm going to grab something to eat here. (26) east. Eastbound now on Interstate 26. Well, there you go. Lots of traffic here in the construction. Yeah, some kind of wreck. I'm off on Chimney Rock Road now, and it's lunchtime, so everybody's heading back to Walmart shopping area or something down here. Lunch. Lunch. I've just left lunch. I'm headed over to Richard's now. On the back roads, of course, here in Hendersonville. There's a lot of back roads in Hendersonville. Just about at Richard's place here. Gonna grab the Model 3 and go ahead and get it set up on the alignment rack today. I brought Richard's Model 3 here to get the alignment. This is located in Hendersonville. These guys are going to be doing the alignment. So the alignment was pretty close, just slightly off on the front right and back left. So that worked out okay. All right, Richard's Model 3 is aligned. It was just very slightly off. Front right and back was slightly off. It's back to factory specs now. Of course, this is the same Model 3 that won Pikes Peak in 2020 for the electric production class. I owned it. I sold it to Richard. Now he owns it. Anyway, back on the way to Richard's house now, and he'll be happy that the car is tweaked and aligned and all is good. Spend a little time with Richard, then I'm heading home. I've been gone all day today. Wow, this thing goes like a bat out of hell. Autopilot sees this as appears to be a drivable road. It won't allow autopilot to engage, of course, not yet, till full self-driving, but at least it kind of sees it. All right, I got Richard's car back to him, and it's working just fine. It was just slightly out of a line. They put it all back together. Since he bought new tires, he didn't want anything to damage the tires due to misalignment. Heading home now. On Interstate 26 now, heading south, actually east. Just going through the town of Columbus here. It was a great day. It's 77 degrees now and it's 5:04 p.m. Today, probably driven 65 miles. Not quite home yet, but I'll be home soon. 17 kilowatt hours used. 263 watt hours per mile. Reasonable day, considering I went from 1,200 feet all the way up to about 2,400 feet above sea level. And then, of course, back down. It was a good day. I was able to help Richard get his car aligned. Got it set up for him while his back is out of order. And I got my errands done up in the Asheville area all at one time, so it worked out really well. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss anything going forward. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link shown here at the bottom of the screen gets you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again and take care.